Hi everyone, this is Purse Junkie. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you the latest purchase from Louis Vuitton. It's one of their accessory that was released this month, and I'm so happy to have it. So this is actually purchased from Louis Vuitton Palazzo Hotel, and I'm very lucky to have this. I'm sure this is going to be a very popular item. And I actually ordered this back in either July or August, or I think September, October is when I put my name on the list. Now they changed their, oh, this is the new, I guess, receipt. It's different now. It's no longer the half or sheet paper, and this is what the holder is currently, and this is what it looks like. It's just a regular receipt. I don't know why they changed it. Alright, so here it is. Came in this foldable or magnetic case right here. And thank you, Derek, for my requested dust bag. Okay, let's see if there's anything else under here. Yep, that's it. Are you guys ready? This is my first time seeing this, so I'm very excited. There you go. This is the Monogram pouch that I saw on the Instagram that was being shown by one of the Instagrammer. They always show like all the current release, soon to be released in the store or from Louis Vuitton. So this is called Pochette, I guess, Pochette Noe Monogram in Fuchsia, and that's the number. It's M43445, and this is what it looks like. So this can be used as your, I guess, makeup bag, and so this is like a drawstring. This is like a regular leather tab or pull or string, what you call it. And inside is like a velvety type of material, and then it says made in France. So this is made in France. Inside there is no pocket or anything like that, so it's just a plain it's just a plain, like a bucket style kind of pochette. So there you go. So it's very cute. So you can put this in one of your Neverfull, or if you're traveling, you can put your whatever knickknacks you want to put in here. So let's see, I'm gonna check to see in comparison. I'm gonna pull my, so this is the Agenda MM that I have, and this is, so it's kind of the same height, see, and it's a little bit wider on the bottom. So I guess just it can fit inside. You could, there you go, it fits inside. So that's how it measures up. I don't have the actual measurement here, but if I find it, I'll put it down below. Okay guys, so that's it, and it's very, very soft. It's like one of those canvas, like I guess like the Palm Spring Mini. It's a very soft canvas. You can actually do it like this. You can fold it if you want. There you go. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like this unboxing. Bye!